Hey guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Steph, and today I just wanted to show you guys 2 new products and wanted to kind of demonstrate them on an old twist out. As you see, my hair is about, I would say about 5 or 6 days old as far as the twist out, and for the last couple of days I just had a bonnet on, so my hair is just lacking moisture and just need some attention. So we're gonna try some new goodies today. But before we get into it, definitely guys, definitely press the subscribe button below and be sure to give this a thumbs up. Alright guys, so the first thing I am going to try is this here, the Pure HD by KeraVada. And I got this when when they first started to advertise the products at like a half, I think like 50% off. And yeah, so got this here, the Pure HD High Definition Hair Gel. It says effortless curls, and it says style and define thick curly hair. Now it's kind of messing on my shelf, so excuse the hair stuff everywhere. But yeah, so it says how to use. It says apply to damp hair alone or after using the caramel souffle leave-in. It says place a small amount of Pure HD in the palm of your hand. Gently break through hair in sections. Shake hair to fluff curls after applying. Great for wash and goes. So that's what we're doing. Great for wash and goes. So wash and goes. So we're doing. Now I do not have the caramel souffle. So since I don't have the caramel souffle leave-in, I'm gonna choose this here, the creme brulee whipped curl cream from Curls. I really do like this. And if you want to see another demonstration of this leave-in, I'll try to have it in the description box below, but if not, then it will be in my videos where I did a review on this and the gel. But yeah, so this is the high definition gel. We're going to use this after this. Guys, I have my water bottle and another product from KeraVada I'm using is the Super Ego Herbal Hair Oil. It says 10% or 10 times ultra concentrated for growth damage shedding. So guys, I do shed quite a bit. I don't know if it's just because I have thick hair or maybe my diet. I don't know, but yes, it says follicle penetrating oils help protect hair against damage and shedding. Certified organic herbs Amia, Brahmi, and Bringrite, I'm not sure what that is, encourage hair growth. It says light formula with no greasy residue, so that's good. It says for daily use, twist applicator tip to desired flow. Apply KeraVada Super Egg. Apply KeraVada Super Ego to scalp and massage out towards end of hair. Apply more to ends of hair if severely dehydrated or brittle. Use as directed. Or use as usual. It's great for hot oil treatments, scalp treatments, and sealing in. So we're gonna use this for our sealing today. And we're gonna see how this gel does. Will it get my curl popping, or will it just have it just looking frizzy? We're gonna see.
Imagine what's